Ano ang nabili? Ayan. 134, 246, 406 yung pork. Tama ba? Ayan. So, yan nabili ko lahat. 10 items. 1,000 plus na. Alright. Items na binili ko yung Sprite, kangkong, yung chicken fingers, beef, onion leek, spring onion, patatas, Baguio beans, pork, beef. Nasaan ang beef? Ito beef, ito yung pork, yan. Pork, beef, tapos chicken breast, tapos calamansi. Yan, 10 items worth 1,136.25 lahat. Okay, so, ayun. Yun ang mabibili ng 1,000 plus. Sprite para sa hipon. Meron ako doon. Meron ako sa ref na hipon. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a good day. God bless. Don't forget that God loves you. You're God's beautiful creation.